Brad Williams, Excel primed. How about we convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit? How do we do that? Mathematically, there's a formula. It's not what we're going to work on in this tutorial. Here's the math, but there's the conversion feature. Excel provides a conversion function, and it's a snap. You need to know all the conversion units available, and I don't know, there's probably 100. I think I presented that to you earlier. Go back and find it. Use the search tool to find the units if necessary. Here it is. Convert B5 Celsius to Fahrenheit. Convert numbers one unit to another. Number B5 from unit C Celsius to unit F Fahrenheit. So here we have 17 Celsius. 17 Celsius is 62.6 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to check that? We go minus 15. That's the number. Put 17. Just grab this. Copy. Cut. Paste. Do this. Equals negative 15. We're not going to go 15. We're just going to go here. If you want to link or point to a particular cell, if you want this information in this particular formula, it has to be live. In other words, you can't have a space in here in order to do this. B5, you can see there's the answer. What did I do? B5 times 9 divided by 5 plus 32 equals 11.2. Hit F9. Negative 8, this is what it's reading, negative 8 equals 17.6. And you can do the same thing with Fahrenheit to Celsius. What I did here is cut. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. See, I just put a space in there. Why? Because I don't want the formula to calculate. Control V. If I try to put this B5 in here, in other words, if I go here and I point here, it's not going to do anything. In order to put that B5 in there, you have to get rid of that space. Now, why is there a space in here? Because I don't want this calculation. That's it. If you need to read Celsius Fahrenheit, if you want to change the units and you don't know what the conversion or what the units are, again, I don't have that list here. But go ahead and just do a search and you should be able to find it. Brad Williams, Excel primed.